You want to know how I got 1 million views on one of my videos? Well, keep watching and find out. In this episode of Rob Christie Hike Across America, we continue with our mission to try to find something worth doing in every state. This week, we're in Missouri, and we're heading down to Uranus Fudge Factory and checking out some unique freak show stuff, as well as the world's largest belt buckle. But first, we head back to Lone Elk Park and check it out for the wintertime. And both places are conveniently located right off I-44. At Lone Elk Park, me and my son Atreyu checking out some wild animals. Hey guys, corn at our house. Corn at our house, guys. You want my address? And we did a video here last fall, which was absolutely gorgeous. And I'll leave a link to that video so you can check it out. There's breadcrumbs at my house, guys. Breadcrumbs at my house. Coming up on the Buffalo toll booth, as Trey calls it here. Have to pay the toll or we don't get a pass. And just in case I forgot to mention, Lone Elk Park is 100% free. They do, however, accept donations. Came across a really cool section where the elk are all in the water, just bathing. Pretty neat. Now our next stop takes us about an hour and a half west on I-44. That's the little town of Uranus, and just so happens to be the place where I shot a video that got over 1 million views. We're up here at a Uranus fudge factory here in Missouri. And check out some weird stuff. So this dinosaur here, I did a video of this and I got over 1 million views of just this dinosaur with me running my camera through its mouth. And for some dumb reason, it got over 1 million views. And seriously, that's all the video was. I'll leave a link to it, you can check it out. Largest belt buckle. It's really just a big piece of metal. I like to see the belt that goes to it. Next, we check out a freak show. It looked like it came from Rob Zombie's own private collection. It ran $6 per person, and it was actually worth it. I don't know how real these mermaid mummies are, but some of them do look pretty legit. Let me know down in the comments if you think they're real or not. If you're new to this channel and you're not quite a fan yet, consider subscribing. We got plenty of great videos in over 20 states. If you are a fan, let us know. Alright, and keep on hiking in the comments. And as always, stick around till the end of the video. See where we go next week. In the store, people like to put the word Uranus at the end of every sentence. Like, welcome to Uranus, thanks for entering Uranus. Size does matter in Uranus. It was funny at first, but after a while, it got pretty annoying. was it for our trip to Uranus. Hope you liked it. Until next time. In the next episode of Rob Christie Hike Across America, we head on down to the Buffalo National River and do our first ever camp review. So if you found yourself liking this video and you want to see more, please like, share, subscribe. There's plenty on the channel, more on the way. Until next time, keep on hiking.